Oh well, while I'm washing the boat, I thought I'd tell you the part of the boat known as the poti. The front is known as the tauihu. Over here is the anchor. It's called a punga. The hull is known as a takere. It's sitting on a trailer at the moment. It's called a wakato. The sides above the pontoon, these are the rauawa, which you sit on. Matapihi, your windows. Tuanui, your roof. Now at the back is your taurapa, stern for your poti. Down there are the bungs. Those are known as puru. Some people call them karemu. And your motor, we just call it mortar, phonetically borrowed, kupu. And over on this side, you have your arapiki, which is the stairs. And yeah, that's your poti in te reo Māori.